Nice. Jeez. Loud problems. Do you even hear the intake?
No. I hear the bumps.
No intake.
No intake.
Okay, we'll be fixing that today.
No intake live.
No sound at all. Not even a problem though. We're gonna be fixing that today.
Slam life. I wouldn't know though. Jeez. Finally attention to the garage. Really didn't open this already. Yo, I wonder what's in here, man. Cheese sticker.
Yo, I got sponsored.
PRL sticker. Got the intake. The piping hose.
Education.
See, just so you know, it's not fake.
We don't buy no fake stuff.
Alright, so this is the piping that we need to remove. Airflow sensor, 2 volts right here. There's a Phillips head. There should be 4 Phillips head. One here, one here. There's one right here. And one there. And then after that, you said there's 2 more bolts? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll show you that after we remove this first.
Alright.
This guy made this time.
Alright.
So far we've been sitting here for 20 minutes. We've lost 10 mil on the battery.
And we have to hold the bolts. Hold the bolts like this.
Right.
Where do you go?
I got it. Okay, that's the sensor.
Should come off.
Yeah, just put that aside. You don't have to remove it, it's just a hosing bracket. It just has to be loose so you can pull it out.
Oh. Very good.
Yeah, alright. Just pull it off. No. Oh, it's still tight on that. Alright, yo.
So yo, what you gotta do is, right, you gotta wiggle it, right? And then like, just
twist it. Jeez.
Comes out.
You just gotta like, watch this. Wiggle. You gotta twist and then. Jeez, yeah. Easy work.
You did like seconds, yo.
Yeah. It didn't take like 30 minutes to figure that out.
Yo, I got stuck in the worst
Alright.
places possible.
So we took all the OEM parts out and it's time to put in the new one. Jeez.
Just flush in.
It's pretty much plug and play.
Literally.
Yeah.
You just gotta install this. I hear someone's car coming. Jeez. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Yo, see how to YouTube, bro?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Hey, get the f out of my house.
Jeez.
You seeing, bro? How's the intake?
Come look at it, bro.
Looks good.
Huh?
It looks good.
Yeah, we lost the bolt for the battery.
You
This guy dropped it, yo.
Yo, it's okay. I drove without a bolt on my battery bare times. It's off and shit.
Yo, this guy's cracked, yo.
Alright, so I didn't record everything, but that's the mount that holds the intake together.
Try to keep it, you know, quick and simple.
Yeah. We actually struggled so much doing this. This looks sick.
I like it. We did sick.
Jeez. Oh, that sounds nice. That actually sounds sick. That sounds so good. Yo! That's actually loud. That's nice. Hear you.
Pretty happy, fam. Look at it. Pretty sick.
It sounds really good.
How does it sound?
It actually sounds crazy, fam.
Sounds crazy outside?
Yeah, it sounds sick. Yeah. Here, nice.
You're gonna see him on Time Attack next year. Alright, so I know what you guys are wondering. You guys are probably like, yo Jackson, why is the video so short? Let me explain. I lost a lot of clips that I recorded. It's very stressful and pretty annoying. especially half of the clips were just me going through everything that we did. But honestly, like, it is pretty self-explanatory. Once you open your hood and you look at the intake, you would know how to take it off. It's that easy. It's that easy. Even the boy SK did it, okay? And if you guys know him, if you're watching this video and you guys know him, he has other mods on his car, but this is the first thing he actually did himself. I was just on the side and he did everything. So if he can do it, anyone can do it. Trust me, if he can do it, I'm sorry I'm roasting him, but if he had the nerve to do it, I'm pretty sure anyone can. I'm sorry if you're watching this, I'm roasting you, but it's true, man. I love you though. But yeah, I hope the video was still somewhat informative. I did my best to make a video for you guys to watch with the clips I had, obviously. And also, I just want to say the channel's been doing really good lately. I know I probably say this like at the end of every video, but every time I post a video, I only see the views and the positive comments and everything just go up. And it also does really motivate me to make more videos. But sometimes I do really struggle with coming up with a video idea, and that's like the main reason why I don't post every week. Alright, so I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Let me know what type of content ideas you guys got for me. Leave it down in the comment below. Obviously, don't comment down below saying make prank videos. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, let me know what type of mods you would like to see on the car, or maybe even on the other cars that's been featured on the channel. I can kind of force them to buy it and then we can get a video out of it, but we'll see. We have a couple cars on the channel. I actually have a mod list for my car. If you guys would like to see that, leave a like. I'll actually make a video going through everything that I have planned for my car. Alright, so thank you guys once again for watching this video. I really do appreciate every single viewer that I have on this channel. With that being said, have a good day and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work in. You can find me where the turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it.